I think UNCW offers a really unique experience with its proximity to the beach. I think specifically within coastal engineering, it's definitely kind of become our classroom, whether that's collecting field data or different labs for different classes. It's really allowed me to kind of conceptualize things that I'm learning in class and then observe those processes in a real world setting.
About 10 years ago, we decided that we'd like to start our own niche engineering programs that were designed around the coastal university environment. Those conversations got us into developing programs that were a little bit more interdisciplinary and a little bit more unique than your typical engineering programs like mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. The programs we decided to start, we're going to focus more on where we are here on the coast and looking at coastal issues and problems that are relevant and unique to us here on the coast.
When students arrive to UNCW Engineering, we want them to feel a sense of belonging from the start. We want them to feel like they are known by faculty, by peers, by academic advisors and staff, and feel like they belong on this campus with us.
Every week, we as a class went out to the beach and collected various data sets, and then we were kind of tasked with cleaning that data, analyzing it, and then working it into a full report for further analysis. I think also just the day-to-day of being in a coastal environment and seeing the beach in different seasons and even from week to week, depending on environmental conditions, if there's just been a big storm.
Engineering at UNCW feels personal, coastal, entrepreneurial, and deeply connected to human problems. Students learn through iteration, adaptation, uncertain and dynamic conditions.
And in particular, the coast of North Carolina, we have a lot of barrier islands, and barrier islands are constantly shifting and moving. They're not static. They're very complex ecosystems where when you have a major storm come through, for example, it can transport sand and change the entire look of a beach just with one event. And so it's a very dynamic system.
UNCW is primarily an undergraduate teaching institution, and so we focus a lot on offering opportunities to undergraduate students, particularly opportunities for faculty mentorship with our undergraduate engineering students.
Students are involved with projects from day one, and when they get here as freshmen, they'll work with faculty in their research labs and out in the field. That's something you just don't see at universities around the country generally.
What really brought me to UNCW is how from day one I could tell that the faculty were very supportive of me and wanted me to succeed.
Throughout my time in the program, the coastal engineering faculty have been very accessible, and they've always kind of shared with us that our success is their success, and I truly have felt that throughout my entire experience.
So we emphasize communication and awareness of the stakeholders or the humans for which students are solving problems, giving it a really human-centered approach to problem solving in engineering.
I realized that even if a given solution might be the most effective in terms of engineering efficacy, it also might not appease all stakeholders or fulfill all other societal requirements. So I think understanding that these decisions have to be evaluated from a range of perspectives, not just the engineering efficacy.
The faculty here at UNCW are always trying to reach out and connect us to industry partners, and this is actually how I secured one of my internships, was through an email from one of my professors. On a research project I've been working on, we have been in collaboration with the School of Nursing, and we have been empathetic and learned soft skills to be able to understand their requirements and struggles to build software systems that help them become better nurses and make their job easier. As I'm starting to wrap up my career at UNCW, I've had the opportunities to attend multiple different seminars, different trips, different internships, and different research projects that have prepared me for my future in software engineering.
Intelligent systems engineering is a combination of technology like AI, robotics, software, and sensing systems that are all working together to solve real-world problems. We are building systems that sense their environment, make decisions, and act on them. And that human-in-the-loop mindset is making sure that technology and humans are working together.
Our intelligent systems engineering program can build a sensor that a coastal engineer could then go out and deploy, and then our software engineers could write a dashboard to show those results in real time. UNCW is really known for its small class sizes and one-on-one interactions with faculty. I think if you talk to our alumni, you talk to our current students, they'll tell you that one of the advantages of coming to UNC Wilmington is that one-on-one personal interaction and personal connection that they develop with their professors and faculty.
We want our students to become technically competent engineers, but also to deeply understand people, communities, and consequences.
I really hope to make an impact by just creating technology that genuinely improves people's lives.
Engineering is ultimately a service profession in which we're tasked with solving the world's toughest problems. At UNCW, our goal is to equip engineers with the types of tools they need in order to go out and to contribute to solutions.